What we got today is the SL-68 paintball gun. This is an old gun. So internal seals and everything are dry rotted, whatever. But you can still get the seal kits. I got this from a company called Tippmann Parts, I believe it was, for the Tippmann paintball gun. So, need a few things. Some Allen keys, fractional sizes. First thing we want to do is take off the barrel. So 3/16. Loosen that up just a bit. Slide that out, and that piece will come out with it. We'll set that off to the side. Spring, and then pull the trigger. Shake that out. Those are the two things that connect together, and when you pull the trigger, it fires. Now we need to get that set screw and that set screw out. That's a 1/8 Allen key. We'll see what we have in here. All right, you got a little spring, a cup seal, and I don't know if you can see there, but that O-ring is toast. Crunchy. There's the O-ring. That was just around that groove. And we're going to replace this cup seal as well while we're in there. That one might not actually be that bad. I'm going to leave it for next time. We also have some trouble-free, KC trouble-free lubricant. Put some of that on there as well to help get this O-ring on a bit better. We have it right in there. And this is an important groove too, because this is the groove that the set screws right in when you get it all in there. That should be sitting about right there. So to get this all back together, can't forget our spring. Slide that piece back in, and then you have to press on that while you're pulling the trigger. Oh, can't forget that spring either. Wait, no, that spring goes there. This, yeah. This goes back in there. It'll help push everything in place to tighten this up. Maybe we have to get the barrel in there. Where's that little hole in the bottom? Hook the pump rod. And then with it pumped all the way back, then tighten up on these screws. And there you go. And if you had to replace any of the other O-ring around there, we could do that while we were in there as well. But I think that fixes that little problem. All right, so with just, I don't know, 50 cents worth of O-rings, a little bit of time, I'm able to get this paintball marker that was leaking air and not working back into working condition so it can play again. My name's Charles. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.